Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for anyone who loves nail care. The Borogo 100 PCs Orange Wood Nail Sticks. If you're looking for the best wooden manicure sticks on the market, you've come to the right place. The Borogo Orange Wood Nail Sticks are a game-changer for both at-home and professional manicures and pedicures. These sticks are made from high-quality natural orange wood, which is known for its sturdiness and durability. Each stick measures 3.5 mm in diameter and 110 mm in length, making them the perfect size for easy handling and precise nail care. One of the standout features of these nail sticks is their double-sided design. One end is pointed, ideal for cleaning under nails or around the cuticle area, while the flat end is perfect for gently pushing back cuticles. This dual functionality allows for greater versatility, whether you're applying nail polish, cleaning up after a manicure, or creating intricate nail art designs. These wooden sticks are not just for professionals, they're designed for everyone. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or simply maintaining your nails at home, these sticks make the process effortless. They can be used for various applications, including nail art, DIY projects, and even cleaning hard-to-reach areas around your nails. The lightweight design makes them travel-friendly too. You can easily toss them in your travel bag or purse for on-the-go nail care. Plus, being disposable means you won't have to worry about sanitizing them after each use. Just use and toss. Quality is key when it comes to manicure tools, and the Borogo sticks deliver. Users have praised their sturdiness, which means they won't break easily during use. The smooth finish ensures a splinter-free experience, making them safe for everyone. Not only are these sticks functional, but they are also affordable. Priced at just $3.99 for a pack of 100, they offer excellent value for money. You'll find that having a stockpile of these sticks is not only convenient but also ensures that you're always prepared for your next nail session. In conclusion, if you're on the lookout for high-quality, versatile, and affordable manicure tools, the Borogo Orange Wood Nail Sticks should be at the top of your list. They offer a perfect blend of durability and functionality that makes nail care a breeze, whether at home or in a salon setting. Don't miss out on transforming your nail care routine with these fantastic wooden sticks. Be sure to grab your pack today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and critiques. See you next time.